Sunod dekwa nikadu shinai. So November 14th. So now we're going to go present tense. To już lista. So what happened?
Oh.
It just happened. It's just, you just walked in on it. So in this case, gosh, get low. You lost.
Oh, that's the immediate thing.
Or gosh, get low. You lost. Shame. So you just walked in the room and the lunch is all laid out. That was the list. What happened? Gosh, get low, lost. He fell off the chair. Gosh, oh, you lost. It's like who she fell, but it could be a time frame there. Well, this is in reference. This is answering a question. Though it's the list.
Okay.
So then the immediate answer, gosh, oh, lost. Who she fell. But also you get to turn this around and also use it to those who's to me. Gosh, hello, lost.
What's the word for ladder?
Close thing. Is what I use. Something to climb on. Kind of like stairs. So those to list gosh, hello, lost. But reality. And that G can also be substituted for a K. Kilo. So in that case, the kilometer speed could be referenced to something you climb on. So in this case, it would be like stairs. So now I'll get none to I fail. So then you can reference back, go back into those to list the name. What happened to you? Steep, what you doing to? Stairs, I failed. I fell on the stairs. So then I'll get none to by itself, I just fell. So say you're just walking out on a trip. I'll get none to I fail. So then there, to none to
what is it like going up the stairs?
he or she fell or it fell. So those two stuff, what happened? Derek could sheepishly look around, oh, too nuts. If she fell.
Oh yeah?
But in reality, he could have been next to her. Pushed him over. Pushed him down.
Mm-hmm.
Too nuts. So then also, some speakers will nuts. So too low jump. He or she fell, elevated to nunta. So aginunta, then I fell over that. Then agilosha, then I fell, elevated position.